Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to get my AI on Snapchat. Literally, if you want to see the my AI feature, all you have to do is to click on inbox at the bottom of your screen once you open your Snapchat app, and then you'll be able to find the my AI feature right here in your inbox. Right, so if you want to get this feature, though this feature is actually a new feature on Snapchat, right, and it's not available to all users. So if you want to get this feature fast, all you have to do guys is to go to your app store or play store and search for the Snapchat app. So once you search for the Snapchat app, you'll be able to find this update button right there. Tap on it to update your Snapchat app. So once your Snapchat is updated, it will take some days for the My AI feature to appear on your Snapchat app. So guys, this is how you can actually do it. You basically do not need to do any other thing apart from this. Alright, so I hope you now know how to get My AI on your Snapchat. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.